Welcome back to another video from Delish D'Lites. In this one, we're making Caribbean jerk chicken wings. For this recipe, you're going to need fresh thyme, garlic, and red onions or shallots, green onions, fresh ginger, and Scotch bonnet peppers. You can sub those with habaneros if you can't find Scotch bonnets. You're also going to need some lime, allspice berries, and brown sugar, soy sauce, white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, and a neutral oil of your choice. I'm also using salt and pepper for the marinade. First, you want to grind your allspice berries. I like using a coffee grinder that I dedicate specifically for spices, and you want to pulverize this until it's a very fine powder. Next, into a food processor, you're going to add your green onions with the stems removed, the Scotch bonnets with the seeds and stems removed, ginger, your red onion or shallots, the garlic, fresh thyme, the allspice that's been ground up, soy sauce, brown sugar, salt, and pepper, the vinegar, the oil, and fresh lime juice. For the exact measurements for this recipe, visit delishdelites.com. Now you want to pulverize this in a food processor until everything is nice and smooth. This is going to be your jerk marinade for the chicken. Place your chicken wings in a plastic Ziploc bag, I use a gallon size, and pour the marinade over. Marinate these for at least 24 hours. Now to grill them, you want to heat your grill on low heat, and you're going to grill them for 30 minutes, flipping constantly so that it doesn't burn. And here you have it, Caribbean style jerk chicken wings. You can get the full recipe at delishdelites.com and make sure to subscribe.